the Wise Parrot, written by Mr. Basim Ghosh. One day, a hunter was passing through the jungle. The pair of beautiful parrots caught his eye. "They will make a beautiful present for the king," he decided. At once, he set up a trap and caught the pair of parrots. He then took them to the king and presented them as a gift. The king was happy to receive such a beautiful present. He happily took the present and ordered the servants to put the parrots in the golden cage. The servants were ordered to take care of the parrots day and night. The parrots were well taken care of. They were fed the most delicious fruits and king's palace and had to offer. Servants ran and left and right in the order to keep the parrots comfortable. Even the young prince came to play with the parrots. Prince loved the two parrots and treated them with the utmost care. "Brother, we are so lucky," the youngest of the parrots said one day. "Yes, we were lucky to have been brought here," the older parrot replied. "Our lives in the palace are so comfortable. We have everything we need. And above all, we are loved here," the younger parrot exclaimed with joy. The parrots were extremely happy in the palace. They were given everything without doing anything. Parrots were the main attraction of the palace and loved by all. They led a comfortable life. Then one day everything changed. The hunter who had brought the parrots returned with another present. This time it was a big black monkey. The monkey was offered to the king as a present. Soon the monkey became the main attraction. He was taken care of and well fed. And the poor parrot sniffed quickly because of the monkey. Even the prince did not come to play with the parrots. "That monkey destroyed our perfect life! Nobody looks after us anymore," the younger parrot spat in anger. "Don't worry, little brother," the older one said. Nothing is permanent in this world. You will see things will soon change." The older parrot spoke wisely. Then one day, the monkey got ahead of itself and created a lot of trouble for the palace and its servants. Even the little prince was afraid of the big black monkey. "Throw him out into the jungle," the king ordered after the monkey did not learn to behave. Due to that, the parrots again became the main attraction of the palace. "Our happy days have returned!" exclaimed the younger parrot. The older parrot smiled wisely. He knew nothing in this world was permanent. "Time never stays the same," he told his younger brother. "See, you should not get depressed because the time is unfavorable. Better times will always come." Finally, the younger brother realized his older brother was right and promised never to lose his patience under any unfavorable conditions. So, the moral of the story is nothing is permanent in our life. Everything changes with time and nothing stands still. Thank you.